Following the cleaning stage is the roasting machine, which plays a crucial role in enhancing the flavor and aroma of the peanut oil. Properly roasted peanuts contribute significantly to the taste profile of the oil. After roasting, the crushing machine then breaks the peanuts into smaller pieces, preparing them for pressing. This step increases the surface area available for oil extraction, making the process more efficient. Subsequently, after the initial extraction, the crude oil undergoes filtration to remove any remaining solids or residues. Filtration can involve multiple stages, including coarse and fine filtration, depending on the desired clarity of the oil. Finally, throughout the entire production line, automation and control systems ensure consistent performance and optimal efficiency. These systems monitor critical parameters like temperature, pressure, and flow rate, allowing operators to maintain precise control over the process. By integrating these components into a cohesive system,